First booking photos released in Trump's Fulton County case. The first booking photos of two of former President Donald Trump's co-defendants in the Fulton County criminal case were released on Tuesday, showing them in orange jumpsuits and handcuffs. Scott Hall, a Georgia bail bondsman, and John Eastman, a conservative attorney, were among the 19 people indicted last week for allegedly conspiring to interfere with Georgia's 2020 election results. Hall and Eastman turned themselves in at the Fulton County Jail on Tuesday morning, following a bond agreement they signed with Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis on Monday. They were given inmate identification numbers and released after spending about an hour at the jail. They are expected to appear in court for their arraignment on Friday. Hall is accused of breaching a voting system in Coffee County in early 2021, while Eastman is accused of advising Trump on plots to disrupt Congress's certification of the 2020 election results and urging Georgia state lawmakers to appoint fake GOP electors. Both men face charges of racketeering, conspiracy, forgery, solicitation of election fraud, and violation of oath by a public officer. Trump, who agreed to a $200,000 bond on Monday, said he plans to turn himself in on Thursday. He faces the same charges as Hall and Eastman, as well as additional counts of criminal solicitation to commit election fraud and intentional interference with performance of election duties. Trump has denied any wrongdoing and called the indictment a witch hunt by Willis, a Democrat. The indictment stems from Willis's probe into Trump and his allies' efforts to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia, where President Joe Biden won by about 12,000 votes. The indictment alleges that Trump and his co-defendants engaged in a coordinated scheme to pressure Georgia officials, including Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger and Governor Brian Kemp, to find votes for Trump and declare him the winner. The Fulton County case is one of several legal challenges facing Trump, who is also under investigation by federal prosecutors in New York and Washington, D.C., for his financial dealings and his role in inciting the January 6th Capitol riot. Trump has dismissed all the investigations as politically motivated and vowed to fight them in court.